Hello, good morning students. Myself is Kanti sir in standard 10 English medium for subject mathematics. We already solved exercise 13.2 yesterday, that was related to volume of combined sets. Earlier we solved and discussed exercise 13.1, which related to area, surface area of combined sets. So first one related to surface area of combined sets. Second one was volume of combined sets. Now in third one, mostly topic is volume. Mostly, not mostly, almost topic is volume, but conversion exercise 13.3, conversion of solid. Conversion of solid or transfer of material from one shape to another one. Transfer of material from one to another shape. Okay, but both are remain same here. So you just understand how it is related to. Suppose you are doing one activity in which I again give you one example of clay model. Suppose you are having a fixed quantity of clay. First you form a cylinder. Then with the same clay you just remove it, that cylinder shape is dismantle, and you form a sphere from same clay. You not wasted any clay, you not add any clay. So from cylinder is dismantled, removed, okay, and you form a sphere. So obviously what remains constant? Volume. So volume of clay remain constant. Now if you are having height and radius of the cylinder, you first form, then you can find radius of sphere. Why? Because you just compare volume of cylinder and volume of sphere. So by comparing volume we can find any one parameter which is missing, and we always compare, not to find first of all volume of cylinder and then volume of sphere and then to divide. That is not. We always compare so that pi easily cancel out. So our calculation becomes very simple here. Comparison to 13.1, 13.2, here in starting sums, most of that our calculation becomes very simple. Okay, why? Pi mostly cancel out just to fit all numbers and make subject to unknown variable. Do you understand? Same case is applied when material is transferred from one vessel to another vessel. So at that time also you have to compare volume only, no need of area. No concept of area will be involved in this exercise. Okay. So comparison of volume. So you first be clear what was before and what is afterwards. Suppose I given you example. So before it was cylinder and now it is sphere. Okay, so you understand? So you just compare that way. And here also you just prepare list of all measurements, because two shapes are always here. One is before, then after. So before volume, after volume. All parameter also you can write it left, right, this way. Okay, so everything is clear, and then only you just make subject to variable that is not given. Okay, so that is the way. Now figure is not required here. It's not they are combined. They are one. If combined being formed or being removed, at we draw it. But from one to one, from one shape to one shape is formed, then just to compare direct. Okay. Now look at first one. You will understand by doing any one sum very easily. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and recast into the shape of cylinder. So just opposite example of Earth example. Okay. So here from sphere to cylinder is formed. Okay. And measurements are given because find the height of cylinder. Radius of both ones given, but height is not given. Any one thing must be missing. Then only we can find that. Okay. So we have to compare volume of sphere, volume of cylinder. Okay. So write down first of all measurements. Question number 1. First, radius of sphere. Radius of sphere. We say it R because another radius also being from here. So that is 4.2 centimeter. If you want to convert into fraction, then you can write 42 by 10 or 21 by 5. Okay, so all extra work being finished here only. Okay, now radius of cylinder. We just suppose it small r, otherwise r1, r2, rn, r. Anyway, you just suppose different symbols for different shapes. So it will be 6 centimeter. Okay, height is not given. Height of cylinder is not given. So you just written here and make question mark there. So you are clear in mind that what is asked. Okay. So now just write or compare volume of both shapes. Priorly it was sphere. So first of all, volume is equal to volume of cylinder. Okay. Now write down formula both ones. This is 4 by 3. R is capital here and here small. Pi r square x. Pi cancel. Mostly pi this way always cancel. Now whatever left, just write down first once and then plus value. Okay. Now values are ready there. 4 by 3 remains 4 by 3 only. Capital R 21 by 5, but never make mistake to make cube here. Just write thrice. Here also write down twice. Height is not given. Okay. Now you want height. So just fit this 6 here only. Okay. Now if you want, you can cancel now 3 7s are 20. Otherwise, in a one step also all cancellation can be done. 21 upon 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. Make them in factorization form only. Don't multiply them. Otherwise, your calculation becomes difficult. Okay. Now this both 6 comes here. You understand? I just shifted 36 here in denominator. Everything is written. Now we just try to simplify it. 3 into 7, 21. Okay. So 3 7s are 21. Now these both are being cancelled by 3 3. So 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6. Here 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4 is being cancelled with 4. Whatever left, 7 into 7 into 7 upon 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 8. Okay, 3 7 left there, here is 3 5 left. Otherwise everything is being cancelled. Okay, just try to solve yourself only. Don't see here. You yourself can find answer. Then only you understand. Now It is 777. So 49 into 7. 9 7s are 63. 6 7 4s are 28. 3. So 343 divided by 125 is equal to S. Now I don't want to divide by 343, so I just both by 8, so that I can get here 1000. So no need of division there. So this one be 1000. 8 3s are 24. 2. 8 4s are 32. 34. 3. 8 3s are 24 plus 3 27 is equal to 8. Okay. Divide this number by this, answer will be same only. I just try to get here 10 raised to n. Okay. Now you can say it is 2.744 is equal to S. Okay. So S equal to 2.74 centimeter, because everything is in centimeter. Now you generally we write centimeter up to 2 decimal place only. Okay. Third one is not required. If you want, you can, but not necessary. So I written S equal to 2.74 centimeter. Okay. So I just again revise all sums. First of all, read carefully question. What is given? Sphere is melted and recasted into cylinder. So means sphere is converted into cylinder. So obviously sphere and cylinder's volume should be compared. So they are compared. But before this comparison, write down clearly all measurement with clear symbol. Distinct symbol should be used for same word. Radius, radius. So different symbol should be there. Everything must be clear here, and if any decimal number is there, you can convert it into simplest fraction there only, so that work reduce here. Okay. Now after comparison, mostly pi will be cancelled out if pi is there. Otherwise cuboid or cube is there, no pi will be there. Cancellation possible there. But mostly pi should be cancelled. Whatever left, just write down once, then write down all values. But don't make that numbers bigger by multiplying. Don't multiply them. Just keep them scatter only. Scatter means here in factorized form only. Okay. Now make subject to that variable, simplify and get answer. Okay. That is the way. Okay. So we got height of that cylinder or centimeter. Okay. Now look at number 2. In number 2, metallic sphere radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of resulting sphere, means bigger sphere. So here a very simple case. 3 smaller spheres are combined, melted to form a bigger sphere. Okay, so it is only one. But 3 different size of spheres are melted and recasted into bigger sphere. So what should be radius of that resulting means bigger sphere? That is us. Okay. So obviously we have to here also compare volume of all 3 spheres equal to volume of resulting sphere. So here first of all write all measurement. So first of all radius, so radii we write together only of spheres. R1 equal to 6. Okay. R2 8. R3, 10. Okay, so all are written. 6, 8, 10. Now, let radius of bigger or resulting. We just suppose capital R, and that is not given, so question mark. Okay, so what is given, what is R, everything is clear. 3 are combined, melted to form a resulting bigger sphere. So write down accordingly only. So volume of resulting sphere मतलब bigger sphere is equal to volumes of all three spheres. Okay, you can compare anyway, left, right, right, left. You can write this one here, that here. Anyway, that is not important. So this is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Why? I just suppose here r. Okay, for resulting one. Now, they are all different size of, so not multiply any. They are of different size. So don't write this way, 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is wrong. Why? Radius of all ones is different. Okay, so differently we have to write, means we have to write 3 terms here. 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. Okay, now take common from there, whatever is there. So 4 by 3 pi is common. So left is r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. Okay, after taking common only you can cancel out pi. Okay, so now you can cancel pi as well as 4 by 3 also. So whatever left, just write down once, r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. Now place value. After simplification of step, place value. Not at initial step only, place all values. Okay. Now it is already in simplified form. So r cube is not given. This is 6 cube, 8 cube and 10 cube. Okay. Now r cube, 6 6 is 36, 36 into 6, 6 is 36, 6 is 18, 21, 2, 1, 8. 8 8 is 64, 64 into 8, 8 4 is 32, 3, 8 6 is 48 plus 3, 51, 5 1 2, and this will be 1000. Okay. Now total of all this. So it will be 512 1000. 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 2 7, 1. So r cube is equal to 1728. But that is not answer. We require r, not r cube. Okay. So now, how to find it? Now you know here, maximum number is 10. Maximum number is 10. If it is perfect cube number, then it may be of 11 cube, maybe of 12 cube, because if you add all this number, then the resulting answer should be greater than greatest number, obviously. So it should be more than 10. So we check for 11 cube, whether 11 cube is this or not, 12 cube, 13 cube, 14 cube. But by unit digit, look at the unit digit, 8. In cube of 2, only 8 comes. In cube of 1, only 1 comes. Whether it is cube of 11, 21, 31, 41, always unit digit is 1. Cube of 2, 12, 22, 32, always unit digit will be 8. Cube of 3, 30, unit digit will be 7. 3, 3 are 9, 3 are 27. So by unit digit, you have doubt on 12. One possibility might be of 12. So I not look for 11, I just right? 12 multiply 12 multiply 12. But 12 square I know, 144 into 12. Taking 12, I don't know whether it is a cube of 12 or not. So now 1440, 288, 8, 12, 6, 7, 1728. Okay, so that is a cube of 1728. Oh, sorry. It is a 12 cube. Okay. So now take cube root. Not 3 cancel. Don't understand that way. Just taking cube root. So it is R and this is 12. Now write statement. Radius of resulting sphere is 12 centimeters because every measurements are given in centimeters. Okay. So write down that way. So I think that is very simple. Just understand here. Why I multiply 12 only, not 11? First of all, it is more than 10, obviously. Never less than 10. Okay? Answer will be bigger than biggest one. Now for 11 cube, 12 cube, 13 cube, 14 cube, only by trial and error, you have to find it. Okay? And it must be perfect cube number. If it is not perfect cube number, then we cannot find it. Okay? No method of finding cube root is there. So we have to use of log table. Now you don't know how to use log table. Okay, so it must be perfect cube number. So in 12 only, into 2 cube is 8. So it might be cube of 12. Okay, we just doubt on 12 cube. So we find it, not 11 cube, because 11 cube unit digit will be 1 only. But here is given 8. Okay, so we come directly 12. Okay. Now look at number 3. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 20 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Again, read it carefully. Okay, now question number 3. Well is dug. So clay or earth means mitti. So earth will be come out, and that earth or clay or sand, whatever may be, is spread over rectangular base. So on rectangular base, if height 10, then it will become cuboid. On rectangular base, if you spread some earth, then it will become a platform, and that is of cuboid shape only. So you understand? From cylinder, well is cylindrical. Why? Look there. A 20 meter deep well with diameter 7. Diameter given means it is circular. Means base or height, top is circular. Means cylindrical well. And what is formed? Cuboid. So here actually nothing is melted, nothing is recasted, but some material is being transferred from one place to another. You understand? So we have to compare what cylinder must cuboid. Why? Again a question. Well is being dug. Is taken out from that well and evenly spread over rectangular base. So base rectangle means cuboid will be formed after you place all earth from well. Okay. So we have to compare cylinder and cuboid. So first of all, write down measurement. Question number 3. So first of all, 20 meter deep means height. Height of well or cylinder or cylindrical well. So name and shape both come cylindrical well. As equal to 20. Depth or height, both are equal for us. Okay. Now radius. Radius of cylindrical well. It is 7 by 2. Why 7 by 2? Diameter is given. So, okay, diameter is 7. So 7. Don't write 3.5. We want simplest fraction. Okay, so it is already simplest fraction. Now, length. Length of cuboid. So, the cuboidal platform. Okay, platform word is not used. Yes, used. Cuboidal platform. Not only cube, not only platform, everything is clear with adjective and noun both. Okay, so it is L, and L is given 22 meters. 22 by 14 means no. We generally use by word. By means what? Length by breadth. Okay, and then breadth. Breadth of cuboidal platform B is equal to given 14 meters. Then height. Height is not given, we have to find it. Height of that one. Use here different symbol, capital H only. So it is not given, so question mark. Okay. Now compare both ones. So volume of well, या तो volume of earth from well or from cylindrical well, whatever, how much you want to clarify, it must be here. Volume of earth from cylindrical well equal to volume of earth. Earth means not that earth. Okay, earth means here mitti, clay, sand. So volume of earth spread on cuboidal platform. You might thinking, what is the necessity to specify everything here? You can. Okay. Now write down all formula. Pi r square is equal to L B E capital S. Why it is repeating? Now no pi cancel because there is no pi at right side. So just place all values pi not given. So 32 by 7 r 7 by 2 again 7 by 2 because there is that, and into 20 is equal to 22 into 14 into S. Okay, so this next subject to S. So shift everything at left side. So that is 22 into 7 into 7 into 20. Okay, now 7 into 2 into 2 into 22 into 40. You understand? That comes from numerator to denominator. Now try if anything is divisible or not. You can cancel 7 at this step also. Okay, anyway. Now 2 into 11 and 2 into 10. 7 to the 40. 2 5 are 10. Okay, what is left? 5 upon 20. 5 upon 22 is equal to S. Again, be careful. 7 is given diameter, so I written here 7 by 2, and 20 is this one. Cylindrical is that. Here 22 by 14 is the measurement. Height not given. Everything is shifted here. How I cancel? First of all 7 7, 2 11s are, 2 10s are. Then this one's by 2 2 only. Sorry, 7 2s are 40. Okay. 22 7 7 20 7 2 2 40. First of 7 7 gone. 7 2s are 40. Okay. Now 2 into 11. 2 to the 4 into 5. Okay, sorry, 11 5 is 55 upon 20. So 55 upon 20 left, because I got 11 here to write. Now they are again, they can be cancelled out. Okay, if you don't want to go ahead by big number, then 11 to the 22. So whatever left, 5 by 2 is equal to S. Okay, be careful here. Or otherwise, priorly to it, 22 can be cancelled out. Just I write again 22, 7, 7, 20. 7, 2, 2, 22, 40. 22 directly cancel out. Okay, we forgot that. Now look, 7, 7 directly cancel out. Okay, now 7 to the 40. Okay, now 2 to the 4. 4 5 the 10. So whatever left, 5 by 2 means 2.5. Means if you want to write clearly, then 2.5 meter. Okay, then write statement. How? Just according to them, the height of the platform is or will be 2.5 meter. Okay, now homework. One sum by figure only I am giving to you. One cylinder of height 8 in diameter 7, not radius 7, is melted and form a cone. Okay, of 1.75 centimeter radius. 1.75 centimeter radius. Okay, find height. So that is first question. Again I tell you, cylinder of height 8 and diameter 7 is being melted, recasted into a cone of radius 1.75 centimeter. Okay, height is asked. Height of cone is asked. Now, once sphere is melted, of radius 7 centimeter, and a cylinder is formed. Cylinder is formed of 3.5 centimeter. Find height. Okay, so two sums of conversion type are in homework. They are extra, not from. Okay. So I hope you understand. Everything is clear there. What is formed, what is missing, you just understand. Shape are clear. Okay, so try to solve it.